How many times will a pepper plant produce peppers? Peppers can grow to 1.5 feet tall and produce peppers continuously for 3 years or so. Due to their large size, there are roughly 4 to 8 peppers per plant at any time, and you will harvest around 20 to 40 peppers per plant in a season. But in Uganda, as years have progressed, currently pepper plants can be harvested for a whole year, not 3 years anymore. We harvest from pepper plants, that is hot and chili, for 1 year. As for the height, some peppers can grow tall while others still stay at a lower height but will still produce their products and their crops. In Uganda, pepper is harvested twice a week. When it reaches the time of harvest, it is harvested twice a week, and you will continue to harvest twice a week for a whole year as long as you continue to take care of your garden and your pepper plants.